Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Masuma's world. Today I would like to show you how to make easy and simple milk cake. It's a very popular recipe. People really like this cake, and so I want to show you really easy and simple milk cake recipe. So let's start. Here I'm using 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then mix both ingredients together until it's smooth and soft. Now I am going to add 3 room temperature eggs, and then I'm mixing it with butter. Now I am going to use 1 cup of self-raising flour, and with self-raising flour I already added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all ingredients together until it's very smooth and soft. This is my quick and easy milk cake recipe which can be baked by first-time bakers. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of full-fat milk. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but this is optional. If you don't want to use, or if you don't have one, that's fine. As you can see, my cake batter is ready to go in the oven. So here I'm using non-stick baking paper. Now I am putting this butter in the oven for 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. By that time I am making malai milk. So how to make malai milk? Malai milk is really important for milk cake recipe. Here I'm going to use 1 cup of full fat milk, 1 pot of evaporated milk, and here I'm going to use half cup of condensed milk. I'm putting all ingredients in this jar, so milk, and then I'm adding evaporated milk. Then I'm going to use sweet condensed milk. If you see your milk, you need more milk, not more malai milk, you can make more milk again. So my cake is ready here, so I'm cutting the side for a nice shape so I can decorate the cake nicely. Now I'm cutting the cake in the middle for decoration, and then I'm going to transfer it to this container. Now I am using a toothpick to make some holes. You can use fork as well, and make sure you make holes as much as you can so that milk can go inside the cake. Now I am putting malai milk over the cake that I have made, and I'll put the cake in the fridge for overnight. So I'm making sure I'm putting lots of milk in the cake so all the milk can go inside the cake, and it will be a very soft and very milky, nice and milky cake. So I kept the cake in the fridge for overnight, and this morning I added more malai milk, as you can see, and that's how I decorating my cake with whipped cream. That's it. As you can see, my cake is ready and it looks really nice. Now I'm going to add some pistachio on the top so it will look more nice and delicious. Here I'm using crushed pistachio on the top. My milk cake is ready to serve. As you can see, it looks really nice. I can't wait to try. I hope you all liked my video. If you do like it, please like and subscribe, and be sure to watch my next video where I'll be showing my vegetable garden and how it has progressed over 2 weeks. Click the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss the next video, and thank you for watching with me. Take care, look after yourself, see you soon, bye.